We divide 316 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 1. So it became 11 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and we put down the number beside this 6. So now it became 16 and 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 0. So 316 divided by 2 is 158. So this much for today and thanks for watching.